Guys, another work from home job na naman ang ating i-share ngayon. So, ito ay remote sales representative for Howla. A smart waste collection service by eCube Labs operates tests in major US markets including Dallas, Houston, Austin, Denver, Chicago, with plans for further expansion across North America. We help small and mid-sized businesses across the US find better, more affordable waste solution. So what to learn about Howla? See our FAQ page. So what you will do, build and maintain a full sales pipeline. Conduct outbound sales calls and emails to potential clients, qualifying and advancing leads. Acquire new clients to meet and exceed monthly revenue targets. What we're looking for, this is full-time remote position available to work during US business hours, 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. PST, from Monday to Friday. Proven success in outbound sales, strong communication, objection handling skills, native level English fluency, familiarity in CRM tools, example HubSpot is a plus. So what you will need, system requirements, a desktop, a laptop computer, a quiet home workspace, a noise cancelling headset. Why Howla, join Howla? Base salary plus uncapped commission and performance-based bonuses, incentives, employer referral bonuses, recurring bonuses on a big account, task, work, etc. 4 weeks paid training, $400 USD awarded for training commission, uh, training plus commission. So, meron po kayong sahod dito, $400 awarded for training plus commission. Commission are unlimited. But top performance earn 1,500 to 2,200 per month. The most recent top performer earned 5,800 in a single month. So if you want to find more about our company, visit our website. Then you can click apply now. Say, try natin. Ito yung nila, form nila. Contact information, email, full name, country of residence, country code, number, application question. So are you aware that you will be working during the US business hour? Where did you find the job? And write first name, experience, yan, outbound sales experience. So, I hope na may natutunan kayo sa video ito and please visit their website now